Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to save photos in Google Drive and Android. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go ahead and open your Drive application on your device. So let's find our Drive application. So here just have to open it, okay, and then make sure that you have logged in to your account. Now here you just have to click on the new button right here. So this one, and then you just have to open that, and then you'll be redirected to the upload button, so you just have to click on it. Okay, that's right. And then here in your folder you can click on gallery if you want to upload a photo from your gallery or upload a photo from your recent photos. So here let's try to upload a recent photos, and then just have to wait for a few seconds until the uploading process is complete. And once you've done that, you have able to save your photos in your Google Drive using your Android phone. So here is the photos, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios!